Just give it a telephone number. Got a friend of ours used to call that 11 o'clock on a Saturday evening, and that telephone number 95% of the time would give us a legitimate party.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be creating this 90s sort of inspired look. If you would like to learn more on how to achieve this, keep on watching. We're starting off with a clean face, and all of a sudden, boom. Here we have one of the eyes done and my hair let down after blowing it out, and we're going to recreate that look on the other eye. I'm starting off with e.l.f-Lock Eyelid Primer. Just going to swoop that on my lid and then blend it out with my finger. We're starting off with Wet n Wild Single Brulee eyeshadow, and I'm going to just blend that out all over my lid as a base. For the rest of the colors, I'm using the So Jaded palette from ColorPop, and we're going to start off with the crease color in Rose Quartz. I'm taking a fluffy blending brush and just building up that color with a windshield wiper motion. Next, I'm going to blend in the color Jasper to smoke up the look, concentrating on the outer corner of the eye, but also using it to define the crease. I'm taking a fluffy brush and blending those two colors together. I'm also blending the colors down onto my eyelid. Going back to Brulee, I'm going to use this color to gently diffuse the outer edges of the brown shades. To define the lower lash line, I'm brushing on some of the Jasper color. I'm using e.l.f.'s Lock-On Eyeliner and Brow Cream in medium brown to line my eyes right above the lash line. I'm going to use the Colossal Lash Waterproof Formula in black to gently coat my lashes to prepare them for the false eyelash. Next up, I'm going to soap my brows with the Neutrogena Transparent Facial Bar, and I'm just going to brush them down and also make the outer corner very, very thin to be more of a 90s look without blocking out my eyebrows. Going back in with that e.l.f. Lock-On Liner and Brow Cream for redefining the eyebrow and filling it in. Next, I'm going in with LA Girl's Pro Concealer just to clean up a little bit underneath that brow. Now I'm just gently blending it out so it looks seamless. For foundation today, I'm using e.l.f.'s Flawless Finish Foundation in Sand, and I'm first applying it with a stippling brush, and then I'm going to blend it out with a sponge. I'm doing this in sections because this foundation sets really quickly for me, so I want to make sure that I have time to blend it out with a sponge. Today's concealer is e.l.f.'s 16-Hour Camo Concealer in the original formula, and the color is Tan Sand. I'm dotting it under my eyes and other areas that need some extra coverage. To blend out this concealer, I am using a blending brush and also a sponge for under my eyes. Now I'm using the Tarte Creaseless Concealer in Medium Sand to add a slightly lighter color underneath the shadow that the bags of my eyes cast, and also on other areas that I would like highlighted. I'm using that damp beauty sponge to blend everything out. Now I'm using e.l.f.'s Smooth and Set Eye Powder to set the concealer under my eyes as well as around my nose. To set the rest of my face, I'm using Physicians Formula Natural Defense Finishing Powder in medium, and I'm swooping that on areas I would like to contour as well as all over my face. To contour further, I'm using the Butter Bronzer from Physicians Formula in Deep Bronze, and I'm using that to carve out my cheekbones, define my jaw, and gently contour around my hairline. Next, I'm using e.l.f.'s Primer Infused Blush in Always Cheeky. For some finishing touches, I'm using the Maybelline Master Chrome Highlighter in Molten Gold to highlight just the very tip of my nose. I'm also throwing on some mascara to those bottom lashes and using some whitening eye drops to give me a more awake look. Moving on to lips, I'm actually using the NYC Dark Brown Eyeliner to line my lips for that very iconic 90s dark outline. Now I'm using an authentic 90s shade from Revlon, Raisin Rage, and I'm just placing that on top of the previous lip liner. Now for another iconic Revlon shade, I'm using Rum Raisin all over my lips. For some extra boldness, I'm redefining that lip line with that brown eyeliner pencil. So here we have it. I added a little black choker for that iconic look, and I really enjoyed putting this together, especially the lip liner. I thought that was so fun and so of the era. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and if you liked this, please do click like and subscribe, and remember, the future is bright.